Okay, so are we done? Because I've got some things I need to, Yep, see you tomorrow.